Training, credit limit and tax, invoice section. When you create a new customer, you put a default term. Terms are defined into list, order, and term can include a payment discount. Default term will be used in order unless you edit and change it. Same thing in invoice. The term from order will be used unless you select the invoice and change it. We can see age trial and credit limit into customer order, and when we add an order and exceed the limit, we will need to acknowledge if we have the privilege to do so. Credit limit is defined into customer information. Into invoice, we can print a age trial to see. If we select a single customer invoice credit notes, we can report and print an account statement for only this customer. Age trial is defined into list, invoice, age trial, and we can define the amount of period and the duration. Into order, we can define payment discount. If a payment discount is valid when we enter a payment, it will be applied automatically. Into list, tax, we can see and modify taxes, like here in Quebec, composed of 2 taxes. If we want to change tax group, we select the group of company like Canada, Quebec, and in batch we can change tax group. We can specify a specific tax group for shipping into invoice. We can also in tax specify exception, selecting the tax and exception from A to E. Exception will be applied into product, like children here, we'll make exception B. In invoice report, invoice list for 1 year, we can see all taxes per group of tax and summary at the end.